gotta say thank you to the Easter Bunny when you see him. Gina, looks like there's another basket over there for you. Wonder what's inside. A card? Open your card. Peanuts.
Let me see. Yeah, let's see.
You want to open up your basket?
Let me see.
You want to see what's in here?
Yeah.
I think these are peanut M&Ms, Gina.
Let me see.
Yeah. Oh, these are peanut. The Easter Bunny made a mistake. The Easter Bunny made a mistake. Those have peanuts in them. You know, like these?
No.
Open up your basket. Maybe there's some M&Ms in there.
Oh.
What's that?
Daddy!
What?
Look.
An Easter basket with ears for Gina.
Daddy, and M&M's.
M&M's too?
Yeah.
Here, you want some help? Put your ears on. Oh, aren't those pretty? Look at the jewels.
Daddy.
No.
Little jokes like
Yeah, they're so pretty.
Let's try it on.
Put on your head.
Okay.
Oh!
See.
I put them back.
Do you want to open up your basket?
Yeah. I need help.
All right, I help you. How about you sit right there?
Yeah. I wait for you. I'll open.
Yeah.
M&M's.
M&M's?
Yeah.
Gina likes the M&M's.
Is it that peanuts?
I don't know. We'll find out. I hope not, huh?
No.
Because Gina doesn't like peanuts.
No. It's only M&M's.
Right, you like the plain M&Ms.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Easter Bunny made a mistake, honey.
I didn't.
Hey, he's got so many kids to bring to, you know? Sometimes they just forget. Oh, what's inside here? What's inside here?
What's that?
M&M's.
What else is in there? Show Mommy and Daddy. Show Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, what's in here?
Nestle Crunch.
Let me see.
What else? Go see what else is in there. An egg. Another egg. Kit Kat. Put that all over here. What else, Gina? What else? Is that lamb chops I see? What's that?
What's in here?
Easter bubbles.
Let me see.
Easter bubbles.
We go outside.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Easter bubbles.
Let me see.
See?
No. See.
Oh, it's sealed. When we go outside, we'll open it, okay? What else is in there, Gina? Show Dada. Do I see lamb chops over there? Is that lamb chops? You want me to get it for you? Okay.
That's the